Welcome. I've been doing the video for 5 minutes and then all of a sudden it's not even started. So this is what we're going to start with. We're going to start with the family of A. A, H, J, K, and R. If you notice that the K is 2 ones to create the K. The J is a 1 and a 0. Because when God starts, He is the life. He is the circle. He is everything within. In order to recreate, He must make another circle and have 2 eyes in the circle, eyelets that create the 2 so that one world can take whatever it needs into the next world. And since they have to rotate in each other, you need to create 3 circles, 1 in between 2. So 1 is never without 2, and 2 is never without 3. In the basics of this, when you add them up, when you use them up, 1 plus 8 is 9. 1 plus 8 is 9. So that means the lowest number would be 1, the highest number would be 9. A and I. A and I are 1 and 9 equals to S19, the S letter. And the S letter is 1 plus 9 equals 10. If you go the K letter, which is 2, and the highest number, which is 8, 2 and 8 equal 10 once more. We're not going to add up 2 and 9 because that's 11, and we're just repeating the K once more. But on 2 and 8 is 10. 19 and 28 total to the number of 47. T-I-M-E. 74 is Jesus, the cross, and the middle of the gematria tree, which is the English alphabet and numbers to the total of 36, added up together or separate. They all have different values for different reasons. So when you put these together, 19 and 28, on the roulette board, this one is red, this one is black. The 1 is red, the 8 is black. We have black, black. 288 is yesterday in the year. The 10th letter is J. S is the 19th letter. So can you see so far what we have? Now we have the J letter, which is 1 and O, the 10th letter. O equals to a value of 6. J becomes P. Why would it become P? Because man 6 with the one spirit from the O egg that it was before. So now you go 1 and 8 is 9, plus 1 is 10, plus 8 is 18, 1 and 8 is 9. 1, 2, 3, equaling to 39, which is 3 times 13. Now where would we get the 13 inside of this? 1 times 1 and 1 plus 1 in K equals 1 plus 2 equals 3. That's where you get the 3. 1 times 3, 1 plus 3 equals MD. You can have medical doctor, you can have Mars, but Mars is a part of the creation of this planet. Okay? And we'll get to that later. So we had 39. Now if you add them up again, 1, 9, 19, 29, 30, 48. We end up with 48. 48 plus O, the 0, is 6, equals 54. 48 plus 6 equals 54. 21. Let me turn it around and see why I marked 21. I marked it down for a reason. Okay. 1 plus 8 is 9. Plus 1 is 10. Plus 1 is 11, plus 1 is 12, plus 1 is 13, plus 8 is 21. We mark 21. There's a 0 here, plus the 6. 48 and 6 is 54. 21 and 6 is 27, equaling to 81. 3 times 81 equals to 243. Jail. 54 and 27. Venus equals 81. V, E, in Venus equals 27. Low Venus is the low Venus vibration. LO equals 27, just like Venus. If you just continue on of the low energy, it's just love. Love sun or love ass. Vol is a thief. It's steal. It's to steal something from you. 49 is eternal. Between 4 and 9 equals 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 equals 39. Why? Because 1, 2, 3 are missing, and that equals 6. That's the 6 from the 0 in the circle of life. So now we have low Venus. Now we add Mars, which is number 51, area 51. Between 1 and 5 is 432. Like I mentioned before, 3 times 81 is 432. 234 is here. Plus Venus is 132. 66 and 66, 3 by 44, 4 by 33. Then you start multiplying and adding them all up, and you get other equations. But if you add it to the 10-10 world, 1 and 1 is 2. 8 and 5 is 13. 1 and 3 is 4, 42. And we have the 13 that we had over here. And the reason why we have the 13, because this is the 4th planet, and the 3rd planet is Earth. So you see what we get inside Venus, love, and the A family invites inside of it, okay, 2, which is B. 2 is B, and K is 2. And then in this world, it's 2, and then 11K, and then 20. 20 becomes 26Z because it's the 20th letter. It's the transmission, angel transmission, connected together, 1 and 2. And then we get number 29, which can be the K, but it's the birth. It's the extra day in February, the 29th day in February, which makes April Fool's Day the 92nd day instead of the 91st day, in which the 91st day is October 1st from January and April 1st from January. And it's April Fool's Day. It's the angel birth. It's the spirit. It creates 19, and it happens 3 times in the French language. And that's 3 times 19 is 57 ISON. So that means if ISON is 57, that means whoever's coming out there, we know there's something else. Regardless of what happens in the next year, not good for us. Definitely something's going to be good for us because it all calculates that way. The numbers don't lie. The numbers can't lie. If I take Mars away from Venus, we have 30, and that's the number for creation. And ISON in a short count is 30, in a long count is 57, and ISON in a short count is 27. That's 30, and the difference is 27. Do you understand? When I add up 13 and 14, it equals 27. But I don't add it in a short count. I'll go 13 is 1 plus 3, and 14 is 1 plus 4. See, I'm not building. I'm just adding and keeping it one answer. So basically, that's what it is. The one little thing I do want to say is boardwalk. One of the things about boardwalk is not that it's the ore of B and D, the bed of man, but it's a boar, which is a pig, a male pig. Okay? And I'm not sure what the whole thing has to do, but we know it has to do with something about alchemy, because it marks it right here. We put this together, we can say it's the beard, but I'm not coming in to play this. The other thing I wanted to show you is this and this. This is the 8 card. If I take away the circle in this card, or the hole, it becomes the 7 card. This is the 8 card and the 7 card. I mean, I can just tell you exactly why it is. Exactly why it is. My explanation is probably going to be in the dump, so we're going to leave it out. So we calculated this is all in the A family, the B family, and at the same time it says Jack, J-A-K. Where's the C in Jack? Well, the C in Jack is right here. 1 and 1 is 2. 1 times 1 equals to the 3. A, B, C is Jack. J is in the first position. A is in the first position. C, A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C. It's always A, B, C. Because in a triangle, A, B, C equals 6. So you mark the 6 in the middle all the time. And you need 2 lines to join. Once 2 lines join, you create the 3rd dimension. You create the C, the creation within. The C of the triangle, ABC, is 3 points. A plus B plus C are the 3 points, but the total is 6, makes it 3 points, equaling to 6. Number 36, which creates INR, and number 36 once again. Raphael 7286 in the constellation of Pegasus. I hope I did this one properly. There's just so much. There's just so much. Another thing, in the American $10 bill, if you turn it upside down, inside the E where it says 10, there's a face, okay? And the dollar, where it says dollars, $10, it's a $10 bill. It's not a $10 bill. Why would it be a $10 bill? It's a $10 bill. Well, guess what? Nibiru in the short count and R and S equals to 37, and that's Nibiru's short count. And that's what they show after you fold the bill up. Raphael 7286, thank you, Gilbert. In the constellation of Pegasus in the year 5775, in the number of time 4774 times 13 moons equals 62062, which is 808 in the playing cards. Thank you.